So Nicholas is reporting, looking at Air Force One, and of course, don't we miss former President George W. Bush. Nicholas is reporting. President Barack Obama is here in Nashville. Hey. Okay, Nicholas Bluefin, the President of the United States here in Nashville, Tennessee. The departure of the President of the United States, which we're all saying here in the great state of Tennessee is a corporate success story. Thanks, Mr. President, for promoting diversity in Tennessee politics. And of course, Princess Beatrix, this is your elected Memphis boyfriend speaking and your elected American boyfriend. And there we have, look, the presidential limo. Right here. Great city of Nashville. So, President Barack Obama, I've come up with the phrase called the Obama fist bump inspires Kate Middleton Royal baby bump. So it's something innovative. Nicholas Beach reporting the White House celebrity effect of Kate Middleton and Nicholas Beach. Promoted on Facebook. And here we have the President of the United States. President Barack Obama. And this year I was a candidate, write-in Republican candidate for the United States Congress too. So corporate appreciation in Tennessee's 8th Congressional District to President Barack Obama. Thanks for writing me all the time, President Barack Obama. Change most definitely has come to Tennessee politics. There is President Barack Obama back upon Air Force One. Nicholas Beach reporting.
Such a wonderful president.
So Nicholas Beach fans and Facebook friends from around the world, this has been a successful night for the great state of Tennessee. The Nicholas Beach Facebook friends include John Primrose, member of the UK Parliament, to have a lot of people in the United Kingdom who watch Nicholas Beach, including Bob Blackman of the UK Parliament. So many people from around the world. Tonight has been a corporate success for the international community.